Okay guys, so I know this has nothing to do with hiking, but it's pretty cool. So my bees just swarmed. You can see them swarms clusters there, and for some reason there's one here too. Anyways, if you want to see them actually getting up into the tree, I did have a video on TikTok and I posted a video on my Instagram as well. But we're going to try to save the swarm. It's pretty high up in this tree, so I'm not sure how that's going to go. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to see if this works or not. Here we go. The swarm is up there. Oh, that didn't work. Epic fail. Nope, not working.